Understanding the retirement notice. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and significance of the phrase, retirement notice. Whether you're a working professional or a student of the English language, understanding this term is crucial as it's an important part of professional life. Let's dive into what a retirement notice is and how it's used in the workplace. A retirement notice is a formal written statement indicating an employee's intention to leave their job and retire. It's a way for employees to inform their employers about their decision to end their career, typically due to reaching retirement age or for personal reasons. This notice is important because it allows the company to plan for the transition and ensure a smooth handover of responsibilities. A retirement notice is not just a formality, it holds significant importance in the professional world. It's a mark of professionalism and respect towards the employer. By providing a retirement notice, an employee respects the company's time by allowing them to prepare for the departure, ensures a smooth transition by possibly assisting in training the replacement or handing over duties, maintains a positive relationship with the employer, which can be beneficial for future references or consultations. While retirement notices can vary, they generally include the following key elements. Formal language. The tone should be professional and respectful. Clear intent. It should clearly state the intention to retire. Effective date. The notice should specify the retirement date. Gratitude. It's common to express thanks for the opportunities provided by the employer. Offer to assist. If possible, the employee may offer to help with the transition process. Timing is crucial when submitting a retirement notice. It's generally advised to provide this notice well in advance, often several months before the intended retirement date. This gives the employer enough time to find a replacement or reassign tasks. The method of delivery is also important. While electronic communication is common, a formal letter can sometimes be more appropriate. Submitting a retirement notice is a significant step in one's professional journey. It's a process that requires thought, respect, and proper communication. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what a retirement notice is and why it's so important in the professional world. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success in your career and language learning journey.